Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I'm going to talk about how to publish icons in the Figma community. So it's pretty simple. This is the minor UI icons that I've been working on, and I have a list of things that I have to do. So let's go one by one and complete them. Okay. So first, update icon number in documentation section and the thumbnail image. So here now we have like 1200 plus icons, so we can update that here. Perfect. So that's done. Next, copy paste icons here. So icons are over here. I'm gonna set everything. Okay. I'm gonna set all these things. Perfect. And I'm gonna delete everything in the line icons page and paste this. Perfect. I'm gonna do the same for solid icons. Also, same. I'm just gonna select everything and paste it here. Perfect. So this should say solid icons. Perfect. Okay. Done. Next, sort by name plugin. Just use this plugin to sort by name. So I'm just gonna set this. This will take a little while to run, I'm guessing. So this is just to sort everything by alphabetical order. In the future, I was thinking about sorting by categories, but this should work for now. So yeah, that's done. So it's starting with A all the way to C's. Perfect. And I'll do the same for this one. It's sorting. Yeah, in the future I'm gonna just change this to like in categories and programmatically create this Figma file, but this will do for now. Okay, so the icons is sorted. Perfect. Create multiple components. So I'm just gonna select the whole thing and create multiple components. So this is just so that it can be easily replaced with one another while using somewhere. So I'm just gonna select everything here and create multiple components. Perfect. So this will make it easy to swap out. Use bulk meta plugin to add documentation tags. Okay, bulk meta plugin. Let's just bulk this one. Perfect. Include component. So I'm exporting the data, saving it to downloads. This script again, copy paste this. Perfect, that's done. So we can import it over here, and so this should now have a component description. So I'm just setting component, and here, yeah, we have description for the component. So that's added programmatically. So I'm just using this code to add a description to all the component icon names and updating it again here. So now that we have added component description, it's time to add link to documentation. So I'm just gonna open this again and use the description change plugin. So let me open the description change plugin. Perfect. And select everything, change not description, change documentation link to this one. Perfect. So that will update all the documentation link to this one. Update. Perfect, that's fine. So if I select some thing over here or something like this will now have the correct documentation link. Perfect. So that's again this done. So we have done we've added documentation and we have added documentation link. Now we just have to publish, that's all. So let me just update this bookmark list to bookmark check. I'll come over here. Perfect. So now people can go in and just change this component easily. Perfect. So yeah, that's basically it. You just have to keep all the icons ready, and then you can just come in and update the icons in your file. So let's publish this to the community. Update community file, and here we have to change the description. So publish 1200 plus, perfect. And this will probably show an error, but we'll see. Yep. So I can show my UI concept, icon components I can remove, icon kit I can remove, icon graphic I can remove, icon font I can remove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to remove 2. Icon stack. That's it. Okay. Use file thumbnail. Perfect. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's how you publish your icons as a Figma community to Figma community. Yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know if you want anything else. Let me know if you want videos on how to create these icons. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.